What's up, team? It is day 150. We've gotten about 3.5 inches of snow so far today. I just got a text message. We're gonna see. I haven't decided if I'm gonna go to the gym yet, so I'm gonna see how bad the roads are. Currently, I'm in a parking lot that hasn't been plowed yet, so hopefully I can get out. And I guess we go from there. I'm like 30 minutes away from home regardless. So this is the time of year where your mustache freezes up. I got snow coming down on the hair. My hat's probably covered. My hat's getting gross. I gotta get a new hat pretty soon. And yeah, we go from there. So I'll let you know what I decide. Okay, team. Okay, team. We made it to the gym. It's right there. You can't see it. The roads kind of suck. The parking lot kind of sucked. But I was out and I said, screw it. Why not? There's like nobody here, which is a big plus. There's no crazy people out today. So, gonna head in. Gonna hit upper body today. Gonna try this a little bit heavier on some exercises because yesterday, like I said, if you didn't check out yesterday's video, I talked about I don't think I'm pushing as hard as I should be, so gonna try and push a little bit harder today. Do a little bit more weight, a couple less reps, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully the car doesn't freeze over in that amount of time, and I can get out of here relatively easily. So wish me luck, and I'll catch you guys later. Gym session's all done, team. Hopefully I get out of here. I thought I parked covering 2 spaces, but this pickup truck in front of me decided he wanted to back right in to be like 3 inches in front of me, so I gotta back out. Oh boy. There's like 3 inches of slush on the ground. Some of it's kind of slippery. Oh boy, wish me luck. Time to go home. We made it home. There's only a few minor, I don't even know the word, I can't think of it. But anyways, disasters, crisis averted. We're home. Roads are not fun when it's icy and slick, and people don't remember how to drive. Now, I live in New Hampshire, live in New England. There's snow on the ground more than a third of the year. Maybe not that long, but I don't understand how every year, the first time it snows, there's people just they don't know what to do. Right? On the way home, I saw a pickup truck, this lifted pickup truck, in a telephone pole. His front bumper was wrapped around it. Like, dude, I'm in a Mustang. It's rear wheel drive. I messed that up yesterday too. I can't believe I can't say those words. But how do you're in a souped up pickup. How do you go right into a pole? Why are you going so fast? Why are you not in 4-wheel drive? Yeah, just people are crazy. I did what I said I was going to do, and I pushed a little bit harder today. I went a little bit heavier, but I also noticed when I started going a lot heavier, I lost the form. I couldn't keep the form. Couldn't keep good form. There was a lot of bad form, I can tell you that. So I had to jack it down a little bit because I didn't want to do these exercises with bad form. However, I did a crazy amount of tricep stuff. So we're trying to get triceps. Let's knock you down a little bit. I mean, I don't know. I don't think there's anything coming in yet. I also did a bunch of shoulders. My shoulders are killing me. But tricep wise, there's a little bit something going on there. I don't know if that's a part of it. I'm trying. This side, try to see if it's even. It's not really. But there's something there. I swear, guys, I'm doing my best. It's not easy sometimes. But did that, did some stuff to try to even my bicep out. So if you don't know how to do this, you take your weak arm or your smaller arm, which in case is my left arm, and you do that one first. Instead of doing both at the same time with one bar, you take 2 dumbbells per se, and do the weaker one first until it fails, and then you do the other one to that number. So yeah, I did that a lot today. Shoulders, they're sore. I didn't do any shoulder press, but I did get a bunch of, what are they called? Lateral raises in, both the side and the front. And so shoulders were feeling it. Usually I only do with the cable like 5 or 7.5 pounds. So I jumped it up to 10 and 12.5. So I warmed up with 10. That was not really a warm up. Let me tell you, that was full work to start with. And then the 12.5s were brutal. Then frontwards, I put 30 on, which I usually do 15 or 20 with a rope, and I pull it up like this from between my legs. I don't know if you remember the pirate video, but yeah, that one. And I'm just trying to do a little bit heavier weight, trying to stimulate some muscle growth. And I'm going to lay in bed and probably do nothing for the rest of the night. Actually, no, it's Tuesday. Today is a gamer day, raid day. So I'm excited for that. And tomorrow's a rest day. I got to get up early to go into work early because it's going to snow until 3 in the morning. And I got to make sure the buildings are good to go. Gross. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Thank you for watching. Peace.